Hi everyone, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I am making a deconstructed wedge salad today. And I'm going to top it with some crispy air fried chickpeas. I have here a can of chickpeas that I have drained, rinsed, and then laid them out on a paper towel to dry them. And now I'm going to coat them in a little olive oil. And I'm going to add some chili powder to my chickpeas. I'm going to toss those around. Let them get coated. The chili powder smells great. Add as much chili powder as you'd like. I'm actually going to take the shaker off this, and I want it nicely colored. And once they're all nicely coated, I have a baking sheet here that fits in my air fryer. My air fryer is a Ninja Foodie. I love it. All right, this is how they look with the coating. And let's move this so you guys can see. I'm gonna put that all on my parchment lined baking tray. Spread them out for maximum crunchiness. I'm going to air fry these at 400 degrees for about 12 to 13 minutes, and I'm going to toss them around 2 to 3 times during the cooking process. Here are the chickpeas. I roasted them at 400 in 5-minute increments until I reached 15 minutes, and I did toss them each time, and they're super, super crispy. I did add a little salt after. Okay, so I've been busy prepping my vegetables. My crispy chickpeas have cooled. I have here some very finely shaved iceberg lettuce. And this is like my idea of a deconstructed wedge salad. So this is a whole head of lettuce, and it's in a big casserole dish. And I'm going to layer my salad ingredients on top. This is 1 scallion, very finely chopped. I'm going to sprinkle that all over. Next, I have some beautiful tomatoes. These are the gourmet medley. I'm going to toss those all around. Very finely sliced red onion. This is about 1/4 of a small onion. First, I want to do a little salt. You want your salad to taste good. Pepper. And then I have my crispy chickpeas that I'm going to add. Air fryer chickpeas. Very colorful. And these are very flavorful. I have French fried onions that I air fried to get them nice and crispy. I put them on air fryer mode for 1 minute at about 250 degrees. Then I lightly salted them after they came out. Add them to the top. There you go. And now, blue cheese dressing. You could make your own. Blue cheese crumbles would go great on here. I am going to try to make the dressing look pretty. Drizzle it on. Have some on the side. This would be great with meat or fish. A little more pepper. Some parsley would be great on the top. There you have it. There's my deconstructed wedge salad. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I hope you give this one a try. Give me a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if you're gonna try this one. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye. Bye.